How to connect Google Sites to GoDaddy custom domains step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the process of connecting Google Sites to GoDaddy's custom domain in the easiest way possible. So to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to Google Site. Now, once you've opened up the site, what you're going to do from here is you're going to click on settings, and once you click on settings, you're going to come over to custom domains. Once you come to custom domains here, you're going to click on start setup. Here it says enter your domain. So while you're coming on entering domain, you're going to go to godaddy.com, okay, and whatever domain you have, you're going to put it in. But, in our case, let's go with KFC. I'm just going to add this random domain, and, all you're going to need to do is you're going to make this domain yours. It's really simple. And once you've, signed in and made this domain yours, all you're going to do from there is you're going to come over here, enter the domain, authenticate it, verify it's yours, and that is how you're going to connect your Google Sites to GoDaddy's custom domain. So that's about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.